10 leg raises. Okay, simple but effective exercise to target our lower core. All right, so all we're going to do here to perform this is we're going to lie completely flat on our back here. And then you're going to want some lower back support here. So what you'll do is take your hands, I place them like this, and place them directly up under, kind of like right up under your lower back, the top of your glutes, the top of your butt. All right, so this is your starting position, legs fully extended, head relaxed on the floor. All right, so make sure we don't bend the knees whatsoever. We're gonna lift directly above our waistline. So we want the feet directly above the waist. You don't have to bring them over here. Stop right there. All right, now back down to the floor to about 2 to 3 inches before the heels touch. Pull. Control on the way down. So your breathing rhythm is inhale as you come down here. Exhale as you pull up. All right, there's our leg raise.